We've arranged two plants side by side to show you here. This is Nepenthes robcantleyi crossed with aristolochioides spectabilis. Random selection of clones, or random mixture of clones. We've selected two plants very much at random from our stock collection to show you. The pictures are large. That will be the robcantleyi influence in the pictures. Physical statures there. The aristolochioides barely perceptible, except the back of the picture has this dome at the top. You can probably see if I focus on that. And the speckling on the picture body, well, that's probably the spectabilis influence. It's a random mixture of clones, as mentioned, and we've got two plants literally pulled out from the stock collection at random, side by side. Here's the other one. Very similar picture form. And I would say the peristomes vary. Let's see if I can actually hold the two pictures side by side. Yeah, not easy, but the peristomes do vary. This one is more of a uniform coloration, and the peristome on the other clone is more striped. More distinctive striping anyway. There we go. Quick look at Nepenthes robcantleyi, aristolochioides spectabilis, two of the assorted clones that appear under BE-3966.